And we have our first pre-schmooze question of the day from Sassy Everbless saying, hi, Brad, good evening. Why should a lawyer who is doing a VAWA case for someone tell them that they have an interview date soon and the reason for the interview is to keep the I-485 open? Is this possible? Yes, it is. I'll tell you how it's possible. It's possible because your spouse filed a visa petition, you filed an adjustment application concurrently with that visa petition, and the interview for the I-485 adjustment is based on what your spouse filed for you, your marriage case. And subsequent to filing that marriage case, you filed a VAWA application. So you have two cases going at the same time, a marriage adjustment and a separate VAWA application. You get an interview for the adjustment based on the marriage. You show up to that interview without your spouse because you're doing a VAWA. You bring proof that you're filing a VAWA. They will, meaning the USCIS, will keep your case open, the I-485 open, until the VAWA is approved. It does three things for you by doing that. One, allows you to continue to apply for a work permit and travel document. Two, saves you a new filing fee by having to file a new adjustment application, a new I-485 in the future. And three, it's faster to keep the I-485 open once the VAWA is approved to finally get your green card than it is to let that case get denied and then have to file a new VAWA in the future. So it's, yes, it's very, 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 very possible. Adam Allah with another pre-schmooze question of the day saying, hi, I got an RFE to submit medicals and I sent it to them right away. And the status was updated to RFEs received on May 31st. It's been 26 days and no decision. When should I get a decision? It's asylum based. Well, minimally 120 days. Ask me again in 120 days if you haven't heard yet. Kazi, hi, what is 204C? 204C finding means that you were previously, or somebody was previously charged with marriage fraud and therefore can never get a green card again unless they can overcome the presumption of marriage fraud. Arlene Small, another pre-schmooze question of the day. How long after I code to bio will I get a work permit? Biometrics, and you get a work permit, could be 2, 3, 4 months. Figure in that area. Saeed Absalam. Can my ex-wife file for me after I asked an immigration judge for voluntary departure? Maybe, but you would have to reopen that deportation case. You're barred from adjusting for a minimum of 5 years. And if you didn't leave, you also have this order of deportation. Both are issues and both would require you to reopen your case. Elizabeth Francis, also with a pre-schmooze question today. How long will it take if you file for your son if he's in the United States? Well, Elizabeth, I don't know if you're a resident or you're a citizen. I don't know how old your son is. So let's assume he's over 21 and single, and you are either a resident or a citizen at least 7 or 8 years. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.